Okay, so good day. So in this video, we will discuss about the quadratic equation and how to solve quadratic equation by extracting square roots. Okay, so when we say quadratic equation, this is an equation in second degree, or the highest exponent is 2. Okay, so the standard form for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where this ax squared is the quadratic term, this bx is the linear term, and this c is the constant term. Okay, again, the highest exponent is 2. So for example, 4x squared plus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is an example of a quadratic equation. An equation in second degree. Okay, another example. X squared plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, another. We have x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Okay, though this is an incomplete quadratic equation, but still the highest exponent is 2, then matatawag pa rin natin siya as quadratic equation. Okay, as well as this one. Quantity x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. This is a quadratic equation because once we expand this x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2, the answer will be x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to negative 5. Or x squared minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. The highest exponent is 2. Okay, these are the examples of quadratic equation. So now, how can we solve a quadratic equation by extracting square roots? Okay, extracting square roots, it means that you need to get the square root of both sides to get the value of x. Okay, so for example, x squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, value lang ni x yung kailangan natin. So x squared, this negative 36, kailangan natin siyang ilipat dito sa right-hand side. Okay, using addition property of equality, add both sides by 36 to eliminate this negative 36. Okay, so that will become x squared. From negative 36, it will become positive 36. So again, x lang yung kailangan natin. You need to eliminate the exponent 2. And to eliminate this exponent 2, you need to get the square root of both sides. So square root of x squared, then positive, negative, square root of 36. Okay, then cancels the square root, cancels the exponent. We have x is equal to positive, negative, the square root of 36, which is 6. So the value of our x is positive, negative 6. Or the values of our x, or the solutions or the roots of our equation will be x is equal to positive 6 and x is equal to negative 6. Okay, so another example. Another example, 3x squared is equal to 27. Again, x lang yung kailangan and you need to eliminate this 3. So tanggalin natin lahat ng kasama ni x. Okay, tatanggalin natin si 3, tatanggalin natin si exponent na 2. Okay, but first we need to eliminate this 3. So para matanggal si 3, you need to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so again, divide both sides by 3. So cancel, cancel. Ano na lang natira? We have x squared is equal to 27 divided by 3. That is equal to 9. Okay, so next. Again, kailangan natin tanggalin yung exponent na 2. Get the square root of both sides. Get the square root, then x is equal to positive, negative, square root of 9. X is equal to positive, negative, the square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, so next, another example. X squared is equal to 225. So x squared is equal to 225. Okay, so again, just simply get the square root of both sides. So we have square root of x squared is equal to positive, negative, kunin ang square root ng nasa right-hand side. So square root of 225. So cancel si square root, cancel si exponent na 2. Okay, that is x is equal to positive, negative, the square root of 225, which is 15. So the value of our x is positive and negative 15. Positive, negative 15. Okay, next. X squared minus 100. Okay, so x squared minus 100 is equal to negative 36. Okay, so x squared minus 100 is equal to negative 36. Okay, so tanggalin lahat ng kasama ni x. Itong constant term, which is negative 100, kailangan nating mailipat dito sa right-hand side. Okay, so that is x squared is equal to negative 36. From negative 100, it will become positive or plus 100 using addition property of equality, okay? And that is x squared is equal to negative 36 plus 100. That is positive 64. And get the square root of both sides. Okay, so that is, so x is equal to positive, negative, the square root of 64. X is equal to positive, negative 8. And this is the final answer. Okay, next example. Okay, so we have x plus 2 squared is equal to 9. Again, x plus 2 squared is equal to 9. We can use extracting square root, okay, to solve for the value of x. So again, kunin ang square root ng x plus 2 squared at square root ni 9. So square root of x plus 2 squared is equal to, so positive, negative, square root of 9. Okay? Cancel si square root, cancel si exponent na 2. Ano na lang yung natira? We have x plus 2 is equal to positive, negative, the square root of 9, which is 3. So again, x lang ang kailangan. So tanggalin yung constant na 2. Lipat sa kabila. So that is x is equal to, from positive 2, it will become negative 2, then plus or minus 3. So dalawa yung magiging value ng x natin dyan. Okay? So x is equal to negative 2 plus 3. And yung isa, x is equal to negative 2 minus 3. And that is equal to x, negative 2 plus 3, that is positive 1. And negative 2 minus 3, that is equal to negative 5. So these are the solutions or the roots for this given equation. Okay, so another example, x squared minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so again, kailangan po yung constant term natin ay nandito sa right-hand side. So x squared is equal to, from negative 20, it will become positive 20. Okay, so get the square root of x squared and 20. So square root of x squared, so square root or positive negative square root of 20. So that is x is equal to positive, negative. Yung 20 ba, is it a perfect square? Okay, so 20 is not a perfect square, pero meron tong factor na pwede nating kunin yung square root niya. Okay, so ano ba yung factors ng 20? So this is 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 20 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. And 4 is a perfect square. Again, yung 20 meron siyang factor na perfect square, which is yung 4. Okay? And next, since this 20 is just the same with 4 multiplied by 5, pwede natin kunin yung square root ni 4. So that is x is equal to positive, negative. Ano yung square root ni 4? We have 2. Square root of 5. Okay, square root of 5. So 5 is not a perfect square, then just copy square root of 5. Okay, and this is the final answer. Okay, the values of our x are positive 2 square root of 5 and negative 2 square root of 5. Okay, so pwede nyo gawin yon kapag yung number or yung radicand ay may factor na perfect square. Okay?